There's some hips on that man. Those hips.
I just went to put the lint. I just went to put the lint in the trash can. You're joking. This is a joke, right? This is a joke?
Put 'em up. Put 'em up. I fight you at one paw tied behind my back.
Bro, that's hot sauce. What are you doing? You psycho!
Ai, ai, que susto! Você quase que me mata de susto!
You motherfucker. That's my water. Oh, be gentle. Yeah. It's okay. Sweet.
Look at yourself. In the light. Look at yourself. Baby! You can't do this anymore.
She jumped. Oh, poor baby. What are you doing?
Oh my god.
The sound.
When you're cooking breakfast, you know, you gotta have all the essentials. This is the most important.
Just me hanging out in bed.
You bitch!
Why are you guys fighting? Oh my, what are you doing up there?
You're gonna get electrocuted.
Like,
That's when the open switch
what are you
is.
doing? You better come out of there. Come on.
Hey. Thank you. Oh!
Nice trying to scare us. That's what Ben does. Or because the people coming here intend to do us harm.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Regular deal or no deal, and turn it into this.
Right there. Oh yes. Oh yes, I love this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Deep tissue, deep tissue. Oh yeah.
To be a peeping Tom if I can. I'll watch your whole family eat that.
It's okay.
This.
Be nice.
I'm finding it.
It take you that long to
It
find
does. It does.
Hi, Mo.
Heard banging. I was wondering what the hell that sound was. Found out what it was. You okay over there? Hey. Come here. Come here. This way. There we go. Come here. Dummy.
Nico, what the hell is this? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Stop. Nico. Oh my god. Hello?
Good night, bud.
Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh, the Claymore kick from out of nowhere. Straight up delivery.